Hello, am I audible? Hello, students, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vishwam, I have got your message. Who's this 360? Sham. Sham? Sham, please answer yourself. Hello. Okay, 363. 363.
Sir, I don't know.
Who's this? 363. Okay. So, 363, what is your name?
Sir, Sai Teja.
Sorry?
Sai Teja, sir.
Sai Teja. Okay. Then 357. Sai Teja, please mute yourself. 357, please introduce yourself. What is your name?
Harshavardhan.
Harshvardhan. Okay. 319. Naresh. 18319.
Hello.
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 Hello. Naresh, we can hear you. Do you know what is it called?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. 302. Mayur. Mayur, what is it called?
सर वो बाउंड्री लिमिटिंग बाउंड्रीज बोलते हैं सर.
Limiting boundaries. Okay. Let us write the answer. Limiting boundaries. One answer at least I have got. I'll write that. Limiting boundaries. Okay, next is 338. Jitendra. 338.
सर
हाँ जितेंद्र जी, क्या क्या कहते हैं इसे? व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड?
डोंट नो सर, आई डिडंट लिसन द क्लास.
ओके, ग्रेट. 339. 339. Koti.
Sir.
339, your
Sir.
name is Koti, na? Hello.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir. Yes, sir.
So Koti, what is it called?
Sir, don't know, sir.
Okay. 330. 346. Sorry, 346. Madhusudan Reddy. Koti, you can mute yourself. 346. Madhusudan. 346. Okay. 350. Lokesh.
यस सर.
Lokesh, what is it called?
डोंट नो सर.
Okay. Then next is 356. 356. Sorry. 364. 56. Tell us. 356.
I don't know.
What's your name? 356.
Anvish
Sir,
Reddy, sir.
sorry.
Anvish Reddy, sir.
Anvesh, correct. Okay, 364. 364. 364. Okay, I think 364 can only answer us through chat, so please answer us through chat. And 368. 368.
Yes, sir.
हमजा जी, क्या कहते हैं इसे?
Sir, parametric curve, sir.
पैरामेट्रिक कर्व. चलिए एक आंसर और लिख लेते हैं, पैरामेट्रिक कर्व.
हेलो
नेक्स्ट. या who's this?
श्याम
360.
प्रसाद
हाँ, श्याम. Very late to answer, no problem. Tell us.
बी स्प्लाइन कर्व
B spline. One more answer. Okay. Next is 318. Vamshi. Sham, mute yourself. Vamshi. 318.
Yes, sir.
What is it called, Vamshi?
For control points, sir.
Control points. Okay. Bhanu. Vamshi, mute yourself. Bhanu. Bhanu. Dindi. 325. 326. Harish.
Sir.
हाँ,
Hello, sir.
325. हाँ, 325. हाँ, Dindi, tell us. What is it called?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Okay, 326.
Yes, sir.
हरीश.
Hello.
क्या कहते हैं हरीश इसे?
Yes, sir. Oh, limiting boundaries. Maybe I think so, sir.
Limiting boundaries. Okay, thank you so much, students. I've got a clear picture now that none of you are listening to my lectures. Okay, but since it is my duty, again I'll tell this, that this is called the convex hull. The curve will never leave the convex hull. This I keep on saying again and again, so I'm just repeating it myself, that the curve is known as, the joining boundaries is known as either limiting boundaries, or you can term this as convex hull. The proper term is convex hull. This is the correct answer. Remaining all answers are not correct, so please do not remember them. Try and remember convex hull. Control points is somewhat correct. Control points are these control points. These are called control points. Okay. Now for parametric curve, we know the equation P of t is summation of I equal to 0 to n, 0 to n hello, where C of in into t to the power of I into 1 minus t to the power of n minus I into p of I. This is the equation. This can be written as P of t is equal to C03 t to the power of 0 into 1 minus t to the power of 3 into p naught plus c13 t into 1 minus t square plus c23 into t square into 1 minus t into, sorry, here I have missed p1 and here it is p2 plus c33 t square cube into 1 minus t to the power of 0 into p3. So this can be replaced as, where c0 3 is equal to 3 factorial divided by 0 factorial into 3 minus 0 factorial is equal to 1. Similarly, c13 is equal to 3 factorial upon 1 factorial into 3 minus 1 factorial is equal to 3 divided by 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1, this will get cancelled and this will become 3. c23 is equal to 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 minus 2 factorial, that will be equal to 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1 into 1. So this 2 into 1, this 2 into 1 will get cancelled and this will be equal to 3. Similarly, c33 is equal to 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 minus 3 factorial, that is equal to 1. So we have got p of t is equal to 1 into t, so 1 minus t whole cube into p naught plus 3t into 1 minus t whole square into p1 plus 3 into t square into 1 minus t p2 plus t cube into p3. Okay, since 3 is also 1, so then we can write x naught or x of t is equal to 1 minus t cube, 1 minus t whole cube into p naught or x naught plus 3t into 1 minus t whole square into x1 plus 3t square into 1 minus t into x2 plus t cube into x3 is equal to, making replacements, this is x1, x0, x1, x2 and x3. So if we just make the replacements here, so what we get here is 1 minus t whole cube into 2 plus 3 into 2 is 6 t 6t into 1 minus t whole square plus 3 into 2 is, sorry, 3 into 3 is 9 t square into 1 minus t plus 3 t cube. Similarly, y naught or y of t will be equal to 1 minus t whole cube into y naught plus 3t into 1 minus t square t whole square into y1 plus 3t square into 1 minus t y2 plus t cube into y3. If I make the replacement, this will be equal to C 2 3 3 2. So if I make the replacement, this will be equal to 1 minus t whole cube into 2 plus 3 into 3 is 9 t into 1 minus t whole square plus 3 into 2 is 6 t square into 1 minus t plus 2 t cube. This is the equation. Now you have got xt yt equations. Simply you have to create a table. You can also solve them in terms of t cube, t square, t and constant. Okay, this is up to your wish. Then we'll create a table with t, x and y. Here the values of t are given as 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75 and 1. And you have to just make the replacements in the values of t in these equations to get the values of x and y, the points on the curve. I am very sure that this will be equal to 2 2 and this will be equal to 3 2, because if I put x equal to 0, this will be this point and t equal to 1 will be this point. So I know these points. For the others you have to do the calculation. I'll just write the values. So the values comes out to be, values comes out to be 2.156 and 2.563. Here the value comes out to be 2.5, 2.75. The next value comes out to be 2.844, 2.563. Please check whether you are getting the same values or not. Hello, is the screen visible? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Rahul, have you taken the snapshot? Hello,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have taken.
today I think Yashwant didn't join, na?
Yeah, sir. I will send to you, sir.
Okay, you send it to me. So this is how your uh, hello. This is how we have completed Bezier curve. Next class we'll start with the B-spline curve. Okay. Today I'll try to share all these videos in the Google Classroom so that you people can listen to the videos as and when you want. Okay. So I think we'll end the session now. Please send me the attendance. Okay, Rahul. Thank you for joining.